Happy to have you, sir.
First of all, let me say thank you for inviting me and including me. At the Department of Early Education and Care, we work very hard to care about all of the children in Massachusetts and are particularly interested in making sure that our environments are inclusive. We've done some specific work in including ideas around children and families with diverse needs in our strategic plan. We have also made sure that our staff in our regional offices and in our community-based programs, our family community specialists, our regional consultation programs in partnership with Ron Benham and DPH are really helping us to do better by working with children who have special needs and making sure they're included in all of our environments, whether we're doing formal child care activities or informal activities through libraries and museums. We want all those places to really be accessible. We've created memorandums of understanding with other state agencies, much the way Commissioner Heidi talked about us working together. It's not just in Health and Human Services, but it's across the entire state. When we think about the needs of families there and the development of young children, it's about health, it's about economic development, it's about housing, it is about education, but all those things need to be working together. We are working on this at the policy level. You might want to know that when we redid our regulations in 2010, we increased the number of hours that we wanted early education and care providers to have learning how to work with children with diverse needs. We give several conferences all over the state called Communities of Practice in partnership with Commissioner Chester, who's here with me, as we work on inclusive preschool environments and making sure really from community-based environments through formal early education and care and preschool environments that we're helping our educators have the best practice, helping our programs have the best quality spaces and environments because we know they're important, and then helping children and educators not to just focus on the things that may need developed, but helping them develop their other social and emotional skills and be included. So we're still supporting preschools all across the state to be inclusive and making funds available to those preschools to make sure they can have the additional staff to have both peer learners and those students that they are required to serve. It looks like last year we served about 4,000 children without disabilities with those funds and about 2,000 children with disabilities. So we're really committed to making sure all the environments are inclusive. So we're excited about the opportunity to continue to work with you. You may know we got the Early Learning Challenge grant, which is allowing us to broaden our definition to include other needs in children, make sure that children that are at high risk and need developmental support get that, whether they meet the EI definition or not. Many of your children may, some don't get the opportunity to move on to an IEP. We want to make sure that our communities and the state is responsive to those needs and really making sure that we've got diverse learning opportunities for all children, which for me means supporting you, it means supporting your communities, it means supporting the adults and caregivers who work with those children and ensuring those environments are ready. So thanks so much for including me this morning, and I look forward to visiting the child care downstairs and meeting some of your children today.